Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy's 1973 to 1980 C10 and K20. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Cut out the 6 rivets retaining the factory core support mount. Step 3. Hold your core support mount up to the frame and put the 4 included 30mm bolts in to hold it in place. Once you've got it in place, use a 15mm socket to screw in the included hardware. On the bottom of your core support mount, use a 15mm socket to screw the included 25mm hardware. Finally, paint your part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent and reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter in Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!